If your CIBIL score is low or you want to boost it, here's a simple and smart guide to help you get your score back on track. A CIBIL score is a 3-digit number between 300 and 900. It shows banks and lenders how trustworthy you are with loans and credit cards. A score above 750 is considered excellent, making it easier to get loans with better interest rates and higher limits. First, always pay your credit card bills and EMIs on time. Set reminders or enable autopay to avoid missing due dates. Second, keep your credit card usage below 30% of your limit. For example, if your limit is 1 lakh rupees, try to spend under 30,000. Third, check your credit report regularly at CIBIL.com and dispute any errors you find. Fourth, avoid applying for too many cards or loans at once, as each application adds a hard inquiry and can lower your score. Fifth, do not close old credit cards, since a long credit history helps boost your score. If your score is very low, consider a secured credit card backed by a fixed deposit. Responsible use can improve your score within months. Simple habits and smart actions can make a big difference. Like and subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions in the comments.